Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Bird Buddy camera won't charge, you may notice the battery percentage never increases, the charging indicator doesn't appear, or the camera shuts down shortly after being unplugged. This can be frustrating because it prevents you from capturing bird visits and keeping the feeder online. Fortunately, charging issues are often caused by simple factors like the power source, charging accessories, or environmental conditions rather than a failed battery. Before assuming the camera needs repair, there are several quick checks that can help restore normal charging. In this video, I'll show you a few easy solutions to get your Bird Buddy camera charging again. 1. Plug the charger directly into a wall outlet instead of using a USB hub or extension adapter. 2. Inspect the charging cable for bends, loose connectors, or visible damage. 3. Clean the charging port gently with a soft, dry brush to remove lint or debris. 4. Bring the camera to room temperature before charging if it has been exposed to extreme heat or cold. 5. Watch the charging LED for several minutes to confirm the charging process has started.